Hi everybody, it's Thursday, September 3rd, and today's lesson is still continuing talking about counting money, except today we're going to not only count coins, but we're also going to add bills to our amounts. And I'm going to show you how we write an amount of money using the dollars and cents notation that we talked about earlier in the week. So we're going to start with, these are some task cards that we have, and we're going to start with number one. What I would recommend as you work through this is to maybe pause my video, try to count the coins yourself, and then play the video again and see if you're correct. Okay, let's look at number one. It says how much money is shown. This example, we only have coins, so I don't need to worry about the dollars. Okay, I know that I need to write the amount above each coin before I count them. That's going to help me keep track. So I have quarters, and I know that each quarter is worth 25 cents. So I'm going to put a 25 above each one, like that. Then I see a dime. I know it's the smallest of the coins that we've been working with, and a dime is 10. So I'm going to write it here. And I have one nickel. A nickel is 5, and 1 penny. So once I label my coins, now I've got that down. Now I'm ready to count them up. So pause the video and see if you can figure it out. If you've had enough time to do that, let's count and see and check your work. I've got 3 quarters, 25. We don't usually count by 25s, but I know if I have 2 quarters, it's 50 cents. And another quarter is 75 cents. So there's 75. If I count a dime more, that's going to be 85. And now I have a nickel. 85, 90, and then 1 penny, 91 cents. So hopefully that is what you got. I'm going to put my answer there, 91, and I just use the cent sign. Okay, good. Hopefully you got that one correct. Let's look at example number 2. It says how much money is shown. This time I have some dollar bills and some coins, so I'm going to think about each one separately. I see 3 $1 bills, and I don't really need to write them. You can if you want to. They're already labeled with the 3 ones, so I'm going to keep that in my head. I know I have $3, and I see only 2 pennies, so that's 2 cents. So I need to figure out how to write $3 and 2 cents. We're going to use dollars and cents notation. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is to start with a dollar sign. Okay? Then we're going to write in how many dollars we had. And we said there were $3. Okay? Now I'm getting ready to write the cents. To do that, before I do that, I need to put in what's called a decimal point. And the decimal point separates our dollars from our change, from our cents. So that decimal point needs to go in there when you are counting examples of coins or bills, or examples that have bills as well. So $3, and that decimal point really means and. I'm going to say and. So $3 and 2 cents. Now, I don't have any dimes. So since I don't have any dimes, I'm going to put in a 0. That 0 is like a placeholder for the dimes place, really. And I don't have any. All I have is 2 pennies or 2 cents. So I'm going to put in my 2 where the pennies would go. So that really means 3 dimes, $3, 0 dimes, and 2 pennies. The nickels, if you had nickels, they would also go in this place here because they're worth just 5. So that's how you would write $3 and 2 cents. Okay, hopefully you got that correct. Let's go on to a couple more examples. I've got 2 more examples. Again, look at your coins, pause the video, and we'll come back and check it. For number 3, I have $2 bills So I'm going to write my $sign, my 2 in a decimal point. There we go. Okay, now look at our coins. This is where I might need to label the coins before I count them up. So I have 25, there's a quarter, and 3 pennies. So those are easy. I'm just going to label them 1 each. Like that. So let's count them up. 25, and now I'm going to count by ones. 26, 27, 28. $2.28. And that's how I would write it using dollars and cents notation. One more example. Pause the video, come back and check your work. All right, looks like again I have $3 bills. So I'm going to write that first in my dollars and cents notation, followed by my decimal point. Now I have 3 quarters, and that's a nickel. So I know that 3 quarters, that's 25 cents each. And my nickel is 5. Okay, so I need to count by 25. So again, if I have 1 quarter, it's 25. If I have 2 quarters, that becomes 50 cents. And if I have 3 quarters, that becomes 75 cents. Then I need to add a nickel or 5 more cents, 80 cents. So right now I have $3.80. I hope this helped you. Have a good day.